In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently send a document using DocuSign with pre-filled data, ensuring a smooth and professional experience for both you and your recipients. Let's get started by opening up your Chrome browser. Once you have Chrome up and running, head over to the DocuSign website. There's no need to rush. Take your time to ensure you're signing in with the correct credentials. You want to be absolutely certain that you're logged into your account to access all your documents and templates effortlessly. Now that you're in, it's time to start a new envelope. Think of an envelope in DocuSign as a container or package for the documents you want to send and manage. It's within this envelope that you'll upload your document. Just locate that option and upload the file you need. This might be a lease agreement, a business contract, or perhaps even a simple permission slip. Whatever it is, once it's uploaded, you'll find yourself prepared for the next step of adding some essential information right into the document. Here's where the pre-fill option becomes incredibly handy. Before you send your envelope, you can enter crucial data directly into the document. Perhaps it's the date, names, or specific identifiers required for your transaction or agreement. This step is invaluable as it saves time for both you and the recipient, removing any guesswork and ensuring nothing important is left out. Moving on, you have the flexibility to add fields to your document. These include text fields for any additional notes, date fields that might be required for signatures or deadlines, or even checkboxes for items that need to be confirmed or agreed upon. In each of these fields, you can pre-fill values where you deem appropriate. This streamlines the process significantly by having all the necessary information integrated within the document from the onset, reducing the back and forth communication for clarifications. Once you've customized the document to your satisfaction, it's time to save this setup. Carefully review everything to ensure all the pre-filled information is correct and that all fields are accurately placed. After you've double-checked your details and are confident everything's in order, it's the moment of truth. It's time to send the envelope. Your document will now be on its way to the intended recipient, primed with all the necessary information to facilitate an easy review and, ultimately, their signature. By following these steps with attention and care, you'll be able to send your documents through DocuSign efficiently and effectively. This ensures a hassle-free experience that your recipients are sure to appreciate, reflecting well on your professionalism and attention to detail. Thank you for watching and happy signing.